So here I am in my car, and I am going to drive around the little mall. So I went and I dropped my glasses off. I stepped on my glasses, and there's a really nice guy. He's from Denmark, but it's from the German-speaking part of Denmark or something. So he's really cool, and I hate driving this car or backing it up because it doesn't have a backup camera. And it's kind of big, so I'm not used to it. And I actually backed into something. I backed into this guy's truck had a little hitch on it, and I bumped my car on it. So there's the Wild Bird and Garden, and I love that we have a lot of overflowing. Oh look, old lady in a wheelchair because we got the K&W Palace Nails. So this side of the mall. Over there had more stuff in it, and that's kind of cleared out a little. There's King Off's Jewelers, which Ocean EYS. The Niche Furniture. So there's a new health club, exercise place. Back to School Haircuts, Great Clips. That's a discount hair place. Omega Sports. These are expensive. Shoe stores. And then this is the Harris Teeter, which is it's slightly upscale but not really upscale general supermarket. So then you go through here, and we have here the Hobby Lobby, Office Depot, and Books A Million. Hobby Lobby has crafts and stuff, and I don't quite like it because it's really expensive, but they have good stuff, and one of their gimmicks is that they're Christian. And there was a big thing. Oh, we don't want to pay for health insurance for our employees to get abortions because I mean it's valid. Like you're gonna pay to get abortions, but I don't know, man. Maybe have a private charity pay for everyone's abortions. So Books A Million, they have a coffee shop and books and anime stuff, and it's nice. The Salvation Army, that's a thrift store. They don't pay their employees anything. It's a sin. Over there's Hardee's, which is a burger place that has some southern stuff. They do not, however, have kebab. King Off's Jewelers. I know him from the synagogue. They're nice guys. His mother, Janice Kingoff, was buried a year ago, so they had the unveiling of the tombstone, which is Jews really don't do a memorial at the burial. We do a memorial a year after when it's not so fresh, which is a nice thing. So yeah, this is a residential area. This Peachtree Avenue goes all the way down to the main north-south roads, College Road and South Carr Avenue. I'm going 4 miles away to the acupuncture place, and I just ate something and dropped my glasses off. And they were nice enough to give me some free daily contact lenses so that when I take these out, when I lie down to take a nap on the acupuncture table, I'll have replacement. So, okay, here is a little school, Midtown Learning Bridge, and we're going to come around here. Down 42nd, there's Reggie's. It's a punk bar. There was used to be more so, but there's a surprisingly large underground punk scene in Wilmington, and I used to kind of work as a bit of a promoter with a guy who was a booker, and he said, there's Reggie's over there. He said, if you stay in this business, you're not going to really make any money, but you're going to end up with some pretty cool T-shirts. So, and I got a couple. I had to pay for most of them. So over here, Young Memories Learning Center. Down here, there's a plaza that has an African market, which you're going to hear more about. It's very proto-humanistic to go to the African market and get stuff. I'm actually growing, well, not me, but I'm helping fund people growing cassava and tiger nuts in Nigeria. They belong to the Unity Church, these people, and the guy who's in the Unity Church said, hey, if you can fund me like $1,000, over the next 2 months I can grow cassava and tiger nuts. And okay, so I'm going to go to that national pond. They have some streaming equipment. So what I need to do is I need to get in here and make this left at the light. So maybe this person will let me in. So the people say the traffic's bad in Wilmington, but this ain't shit. Okay, so this is an uncontrolled left. This is College Road. This is one of the busiest intersections in North Carolina down there. So yeah, I bought a laptop at National Pond a few weeks ago, and it was $60, and it was a Chromebook. And I don't mind a Chromebook, but it's just so slow. And there was a Lenovo Chromebook for $80 at the other location, and you can do exchange. So I was like, oh, okay, well, why don't I exchange it and give $20 extra? But they have some streaming equipment here, which looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna walk in there, and let me see if I can get this. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna take my sunglasses off. If you want to stop the car, it helps if you take it out of drive. Okay, sunglasses off. Leave the sunglasses, take the go. Here we are at the pawn shop. In Wilmington, it's very normal to go to pawn shops to buy stuff. You can also sell them stuff, and they'll loan you money for 20% a month on stuff. So they have electronics. They have a couple of lights. Wow, you got those keys. He's wielding a weapon. I'm joking. Excuse me. Okay, I hope they didn't sell those lights. I think they may have. They were over here, and they were on discount. Hey, did you sell those lights? The ones that are like the circle lights for... Oh, great. Oh, I see it. Thank you. $19. Home security kit. Oh, that's it's a TIE fighter desk. $300. Okay, yeah. Oh, come on. Can't zoom in or out. Can't zoom in or out. I don't want to zoom in or out. I want to flip it around. Go. The TIE fighter desk. Man, look at that board. $30 for that board. $35 for that little green machine. $150 for an easy bed. Oh wow, an air mattress for $150. $95 for a master-built fryer. You can wield these bows. I like to throw some bows. $50 for what do you call them? Turntables. Now, I used to have 2 turntables and a microphone. I just wanted to clap my hands and just clap my hands, because that's where it's at. An FM AM receiver. So yeah, I have a lot of old electronics. I might just come in here with them and be like, hey, I'll get rid of them for you. So DVDs, 5 for $1. Oh, Fruits Bashed, a great transformation. Pretty cool. Full Metal Panic DVD collection. That chair is pretty cool. I almost bought it. Well, I don't really want it. I got better chairs at home, but that's pretty good price. It's a nice chair.
Yes, it is.
I hope I use it in good health.
I don't have the space for it either, unless I get rid of something else.
Well, get rid of something else. Take it to the Humanity Restore or something. Just drop it off. I see this place almost as like a thrift shop, in a way. How you doing? I'm gonna get this, but I'm gonna be streaming, so I've got. So what I want to do is I got on layaway up at the other location an $80 Lenovo Chromebook.
Okay.
And I was wondering, what's this Microsoft? Is that an Edge?
Which one here?
Yeah.
No, that's a Pro. That's a Surface Pro.
How much? That's not $80.
200.
Oh my God, that's nice. That's not bad. You know what I might do is I might get this instead. How old is this?
I'm not quite sure. I have to look at the specs.
It's a Surface Pro 3.
Yeah.
Cool.
So it's like fairly recent.
Yeah, so that's not bad. So yeah.
Yeah, so if you take that, yeah, you do that if you want.
Yeah, well,
That location, do that.
I'll go to that location and I'll say, hey, I want to switch my layaway because I just put $7 down on it. So, and I'll do that and I'll bring in the other laptop and we'll get it. Cool.
$127.58.
And you got silver and gold here?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Could I see the gold?
Sure you can.
How much are you charging for an ounce of silver?
We need the
Oh,
ID,
sorry.
by the way.
My ID?
Yeah, we have to show that. Yeah.
Oh,